okay? If we can finish. Now let's go on to matrix.
Okay.
Now the plural form is matrices. I don't pay. Okay. Now, for a m times n matrix, m is the number of row, n is the number of column. Oh, sorry, I mixed them up. Oh, no. It's correct. Row, what does mean? Do you know what does mean by row?
Huh?
Like
Row?
down, yeah. Oh.
Oh, column. Row.
Column is vertical.
Oh, yeah.
Row is horizontal.
Oh.
Yeah, I was
So that means there are n rows and n columns, okay? I don't need to teach you how to do the addition or subtraction, is it? You just
Well, I actually forgot.
I forgot how to do multiplication.
Yeah.
You just do horizontal times.
Yeah, a horizontal,
Down.
vertical,
Mm.
and then
You just keep.
No, for addition or just element by element, and then you also need to know that only n times n matrix can add a n times n matrix.
Okay.
If the number of row and number of column are not equal, you can't add these two matrices together.
Yeah.
Now let's go on. The first of all is multiple by a scalar times 2, let's say. Then you multiply every elements by 2. Okay, that's it. Nothing to tell. Oh yeah, 5 on 2 lah.
Wow, so
Matrix multiplication.
We're 5.2 already.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean it's gonna.
Matrix multiplication. Now, if we multiply a matrix by another matrix, only the choice is m times n matrix. Multiply a matrix n times p. You don't need to learn it.
what do you do?
It's further pure maths. Yes. Okay. Now they should have the same. These two should have the same number.
Yeah.
Same number of column.
The number of column in A equal to the number of the rows in B.
Oh yeah, that's so confusing.
And let's say if give you the matrix C, and then the number of row is m, and the number of columns P,
Okay.
m times P.
Yes.
Otherwise, it's meaningless.
Yeah.
And then just do one example here. Actually, you can use your calculator to find the answer.
How?
There's a mode called matrix in your calculator. Now, first of all, try to do this row, this column. Now, first row, first column. That means the number here.
Oh.
And then second row, first column. That means the number here. Is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
And then first row, sorry. First row, second column is the number here. And then the last one here.
Okay.
Understand? So 5 times 2 times plus negative times. Okay, you do it by yourself. Okay, do it by yourself. Don't use calculator. If you use your calculator, you never know how to do it. 5 times 2 plus negative 1 times 9 plus 2 times 7 is a number with colored in yellow.
Yeah.
You just follow the color. Wow. Okay? Get it? So what? I'll just show you the answer. The answer should be 15 here, 91, 15, oh sorry, 15 and negative 9. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Now if you use your calculator, press menu, and then there's a matrix. And then it asks you to define matrix A, B, C, D. Now first of all, define matrix A, okay? And then number of row here is 2. Number of column is 3. And then just put in. Now after you put in the matrix A, okay, and then you press AC,
Oh.
and then you go to option, left hand, and then define matrix B. Okay. So,
Wait, what? So.
and then define matrix B. Define matrix B.
Oh, so you go to this one, yeah. And then what do you do?
Define matrix A.
And oh. 2 row and 3 column.
How?
She teach you She teach you.
So lazy.
Alright,
so AC.
and then option. Define matrix.
A matrix. 2.
2 B. Okay.
So 3 row and 2 column.
This can help you to find
And then what do you do?
AC.
And then you do
AC.
wait, do we just do
And then option.
Okay.
Now after you know how to input the matrices.
And then what? Oh, and then match answer.
Then wait. Now if then you want to find the matrix A times matrix B, and then you press option,
Option.
then you get matrix A. Option, you get matrix B.
Times.
Oh.
Oh.
wait, really good yeah, to find them. Like, come on.
So.
I already defined them, what they do to get answer.
No, it's much faster.
Alright, do it right now. Super fast.
Option.
How many rows?
There's two, probably a 1 mark.
I type really slow
One
and I can't
matrix.
read those.
So there's no point.
2 matrix B.
Unless you
I
like
can trade. You know those typing things you have on the internet where you have to like small jump over
5 matrix.
cat.
Matrix B. 2.
You know videos of like ladies working in a laundromat, but they got like
You did
big ass
the A.
calculators.
Yeah. Okay. Option.
No.
A.
Huh? You break it?
Option matrix B. Yeah.
We wash it.
Ah shit.
What, did something happen in your game?
Ran to fire.
First aid. Yo, J Tang
Oh,
is
yo.
downstairs.
No, I checked
J
this
Tang
out.
is downstairs. Yo, go find J Tang.
Bitch ass. Wait. Look what I got yesterday. Oh yeah. I'm doctoring out.
What actually?
First aid.
Yeah. Yo, does J Tang have this? I don't think so.
It does.
How do you get it?
Huh?
How do you get it?
I did like a course.
He's like this, like in swimming pool. He's like.
Oh, the swimming.
Yeah.
There's something else, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm trying to watch them.
I was in.
I couldn't even
You have lunch? That was so stupid, that experiment.
I wrote. What'd you write? So like,
even the one where you had to,
what'd you write?
the stopwatch one where it goes up and down.
What'd you write for measuring the like something you do better to measure the height?
Do you
I
want
use
to let me show you
film
like
it.
the advanced
Yeah, film it in slow mo.
Oh yeah. I said use a mechanical.
Oh, me too.
Yeah. So dumb.
Just use a clamp. But it does. No
But
experiment
yeah,
works.
if you're so smart.
We just read the answer again.
Chrono-
What did you write for the height of the
Oh,
ball?
what? The
No. What are the limits?
Yeah, I do.
That works?
so this is like a very fast
I even
method.
wrote it for
It's like
The other one, I wrote
you
external
skip a
forces.
lot of steps between the normal ones, but then you have to like in the advanced method you have to remember like 20 like algorithms,
like that game.
and then in the normal one you have to remember around like 10ish.
Dude,
It's almost 3 times.
football. Hey, you weren't in my team. On one side, it's like telling Ivan, you should take your hoodie off and reduce the air resistance. Put access to parachute. Increase your air resistance. Remember that game we played with the ball? Where we had to go in the middle and get the ball?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It was like
Yeah, we still, because like, I think Jose went out and all, like, I was building it and he was like,
You can
I was gonna
actually
take your
solve
hoodie
it a
off,
bit
that way
straight through matrices.
from what?
From matrices.
Well, you can't.
But like yeah,
yeah, that's pretty cool.
it's like a math.
Made all the girls wet with that.
What's
Is that a Rubik's Cube? Then you gotta,
Even online Rubik's Cube.
No, I know. It was just the advanced
I
method.
don't, I swear I don't.
It was the like advanced method.
This is what I don't.
You can just press stop.
Do you have the back? Do you have the back with you? Yeah. Maybe can you?
With the ruler.
So let's go hospital.
Press it too hard.
Really fun.
How can you
Sir. The hell? No, don't do that.
You can hurt yourself too.
He's
Well, he's not cutting himself for us. Oh, wear a glove, yo.
Sir.
he has no regard for personal safety.
Other people's crush.
Oh, he's smart, mate.
He's gonna suck it up in his mouth and back to his teeth.
Wait, don't they like make glass with cocaine?
What?
With cocaine.
Yeah. It makes like glass with cocaine.
That's
Gives you
meth
that-
glass.
No, because they want to make
Cuts
it like
your
more.
nose, like, and
They
then
try to make it amount like more.
Oh.
Well, that's smart.
But that's fucked up.
Extra spice.
Yeah. Extra hardness. Yeah.
Killing Masoon and
No, didn't they do that in Breaking Bad? Yeah, they put chili powder in meth.
That's tough.
Some chili flakes. Masala. Masala meth. That's some tandoori meth. Hey, yo, watch that Breaking Bad movie?
yeah. Kind of useless though.
No, I watched it because I want to know what happens to Jesse. So, I want Jesse, like, you know when his girlfriend died?
No, it's just so bad.
No, it was like,
That blonde was a lot better.
Yeah.
You go into the days.
Thank you, like, Chungus.
No one did it. You used to burn your clutch for that?
Oh, why did you need it?
You used to burn your clutch
What?
to measure the water.
Are you retarded? Why?
They were like right there. It's so much easier.
Why is it
What? What?
meter ruler?
That's all you had.
What do you
You
think?
have that or bring
Why are you using a meter ruler?
It's a vertical class.
Hey, no discussion.
No discussion. That's what I use.
Wait. Oh, you also use a meter ruler.
Use the calipers.
Yeah.
Why can't you just use your own ruler?
Because it's not as accurate as mine.
No, because I don't know how to use that.
That's to measure like objects like this.
But it, no, you can't. It's like 20 cents.
Because his brush is blood on the table. I need to clean it.
What?
AIDS.
Blood,
AIDS?
HIV.
Yo, I like it.
So your reaction time.
Be careful,
Show
sir.
this tissue there.
Super.
Blood.
Oh, yes. You're so careful.
No, yo, don't get AIDS, yo.
That's bad. Outweigh.
Disadvantages.
They get sin.
How much really?
What is
Was that my?
Did he like smash his palm on
Yeah. I think it was like.
You got so frustrated. I should have done that too.
There's blood
It's
on
okay
it.
for you to break the apparatus. But it's not okay.
Yo.
It's not okay for you to get blood. It hurts.
Oh man.
Because you need to stop to doing the experiment.
Oh, actually.
It wasn't you to stop.
If you break the beaker, that's okay, you can have the replace. But
Won't they mark it down?
yes.
If you break the beaker.
Once is okay, I think.
If you break like a barrette doing
I remember last time I just broke out. Like before like the one the experience started, I just
Sorry.
It's so weak though, like the boiling tube. I just dropped it into the sink and
Don't drop.
We break 2 beaker in 2 days. In 3 days.
who?
You break one.
Yeah, I broke one before.
You break one.
Wait, yesterday, no.
On Monday,
No, someone
you
else
broke it?
No. Like, yeah, I think someone else broke it, and
If you break a barrette, do they like stop you from doing the
No, they
experiment?
give you a new one.
yeah.
I think
Barrette is like
Barrette is the
$3,000.
last one.
Which one?
Barrette is that like long ass thing.
Yes, with few hundred, just few hundred.
No, it's $3,000. Just glass and plastic.
$3,000
Yes, few hundred, just
What's
few
the
hundred.
most expensive apparatus we have?
electron microscope.
Those microscope, yeah.
Huh?
Those microscope. But you can't hardly break it.
What about like stuff you can't?
Let's go
Break it
Big floss.
Where does the chem lab get all their chemicals from?
Black market.
maybe you do this question first here.
You are dealing.
Now the matrix A is
I want to buy some of that soap.
1, 2,
Which one?
1, 2, 0, 1.
Which one are we doing?
Find A squared and A cubed.
Okay.
And suggest a form for A to power K. Do it by yourself. Don't use the calculator. Because don't rely on calculator. Because some of the question they use the same unknown in the matrix.
What?
Then that means you can't use the calculator.
Okay.
In that case.
What's my color?
No idea.
Wait, finish.
Is this A squared?
Oh, A squared. I thought it was like 2.
Yo, I got 6 points.
Which one?
Wait, what?
Oh, maybe you guys are right.
Yeah, duh.
What did he get for E
Okay,
squared?
1 times
A
2.
cubed?
A squared.
2 times.
Yeah.
So some points.
I think
Oh,
I
it is
got
4. Yeah, you're right.
one.
How do you get oh,
This is 6. Yeah.
how do you get 4?
Because like I think it's like
It's 4 and
this.
6. It's like
Yeah.
this,
0 times 0, 1,
No.
0, 1 times
No,
0,
no,
0,
it's supposed to be like this. Wait, this. It's supposed to be over here. This is supposed to be over here.
Oh, is it like that?
I think so.
No, it's like this.
I don't think so.
You get this?
Yo. So you do this.
So
times this from here.
Should just form
This
Mm.
times this from here. And this times this over here. Dude, are you listening? This times this over here.
There.
This times this over
Yeah.
here.
And then the bottom one. This times that. This times that.
it's 1, 4,
See,
0,
you're doing it wrong.
1. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cheers. Yeah.
I think this one is
Yeah,
1,
that's actually wrong.
6.
6 1.
6, 0, 1.
Yeah.
So you can guess the form of this one.
Plus
1, 0, 1 should be here. And then it should be
2 plus 2 plus 2 and
2 plus 2.
no jokes. 0.
Oh,
Just 2 and then
to the power times
2 and
Yeah, power
2k.
2k. I mean
You
2k.
use the symbol here, okay? Use the same symbol.
I didn't see it.
It looks like a star.
Really?
Yeah, you get what I
Sorry.
mean.
Oh, that's.
Mm.
That's what I was using. I don't know what letter is that.
Sir.
What is A?
Then how
A to
what did
power
you
K.
get for this? Wait, what did you get for this?
What?
That's
What's the last check?
Yeah.
correct.
I don't know.
That's correct.
That's correct. So this times this is over here.
Yeah, no.
No,
That's
that's
the big popcorn.
horizontal times this.
Yeah.
Times two.
Like,
That's
popcorn would have
15.
been better here than
This
on
times
Monday.
this is 15.
Yeah.
This times.
No, first you do this times this, 15, and then you do this times this over here.
15.
Oh, okay.
And then this times this is here, that's correct.
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh,
Salah.
Lunch break.
Huh?
Let's make a fire.
What do you want?
Okay, what is
So
it?
black. Then are you gonna put like a black mask on?
No, close it tightly.
It's toxic.
Now I need to
Then it's gonna be monochrome.
Every time his thing fell off, he like reset them.
Right, let's go on. Let's go on.
Then are you gonna make a monochrome?
I think. Let's introduce one concept we call identity matrix.
1001. Yeah, identity.
Then most of them it will write in terms of I M. M is the order. It should be M times M matrix. It can only be a square matrix. M times M matrix.
Oh yeah.
That means it should be along the diagonal is all one. Okay, it's all one.
Oh,
Along the diagonal,
Oh.
it's all one. For the others, it's all zero. It's how it's written in the university textbook.
Percentage.
But the big ass zero.
That means the others are all zero.
Open up.
What does M times M mean?
Square.
same size.
The row
So there's the
and
rows and the
column, the
Oh.
equal. And then let's go on to the next topic, the determinants.
Oh, that stuff is right on the way home.
Or chapter 4.3.
It's like 80 times.
5.3, yeah. The determinants of a matrix, we write it like this. The determinants of a matrix. Let's say A, B, C, D. Determinant can be used as simpler symbol. We use two strict line.
Okay.
And then the value of a 2 times 2 determinant, it only can be a square matrix. Only can be M times M matrix. So it's AD minus BC. Let's say it's determinants M, okay? M is a matrix. Now, if we have another symbol, we use you can go back home.
What?
Sure,
I need to finish my experiment.
No.
What did you actually hurt yourself to make that?
You get the score right.
I don't know if I did.
I do it. 1 man in your pocket.
Yeah, I know, it's so funny.
Yeah, what if someone like broke their hands? No, like before. They have in the past.
Then,
If they can't do the experiment,
then you fail.
yeah,
Yeah.
you use 0 mark.
That's fun.
Wow.
No backflips for me. Shit, put on the league. Jokes on you.
Burning your taxi.
Don't leave it to another person. It's gonna be a little bit late. It's just
It's my booger.
Buddy?
Yeah, it's my combo.
Buddy? I don't look at mine. What do you look like?
Hey, surgery camp here.
You sleep here?
We're planning to have a sleep.
Is this your home?
Was he wearing the same thing the next day?
No. I got 3 to 4 identical t-shirts. Because it's free.
They're giving it away for free for sale.
He can't afford that.
Now, if determine M is 0 咧, we call M is singular. Oh, thank you. 我攞酒精抹個水。
Pushing it. I want to check if there's a secret room.
Wait, what does it mean? Singular?
It equals 0.
Determine that it's
You can spit it at it.
What do you want? What is it
It's tears.
Oh, it's like
No.
all of them are the same value.
It might blow up on a whole wall
Yeah.
if there's a secret room. Can you get the battery in my backpack? I mean, the charger.
What if it's
You have arms.
2, 4? Wait, 2, 4, 2. Yeah. What if it's 2, 4, 2, 4?
It's not singular.
It is.
Oh,
4
yeah, it
times.
If this is not 0, we call it non-singular.
What does singular mean?
Wow.
It means it doesn't have an inverse for the matrix.
Oh, no inverse.
No inverse for the matrix.
So what's an example of singular?
0, 0, 0, 0. 0. The easy example. Or
Just anyone with the same number. 2,
Yeah.
2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5, 5.
or just this is also a singular.
Okay.
Oh yeah, because
A times B minus sorry, 0 times B minus 0 times A is 0.
Yeah.
Yo, what you doing, mate?
Let's go on let's go on 做完好，就先，拜拜。Long question 得㗎，你留低佢先。我睇，我一睇嘅。
And I was conscious for the shot.
Now, I don't think we need to do some exercise on the questions. Now let's go on to inverse.
Yes, please.
Maybe you just finish chapter 5.
Isn't it just like
Can we just finish chapter 5?
One every determinant, and then it's negative A, negative B. No, negative.
Now, if you want to find an inverse using your calculator, it's okay. Now, let's say even for a 3 times 3 matrix, you can find the inverse using your calculator.
3 times
No.
what?
3 times 3. Now, use your calculator to define a matrix. Okay, any 3 times 3. Let's say 3 times 3. And then put in any value. Put in any value for this matrix. Now, bye bye. Now, there will be a chance that the determinant to be 0. Okay, then you are very unlucky.
What?
Because you randomly put in the value. Okay. Just say I randomly put in the value
Oh yeah,
for
how do you
matrix A.
find the determinant with your calculator?
Now, okay, you just put in a bye.
No.
Don't use your hand now.
He's always using his hands. Come on. Always gotta use his hands.
No.
Stupid. What?
I did hear that. Yo. He's smart.
Yeah, for that card.
I
That
don't
is
do that.
matrix A.
Yeah.
And then how can you find determinant using your
ACO.
because then for 2 times 2 determinant, it's so easy to find the determinant. Determinant of 2 times 2 is so easy. Okay?
Yeah.
Don't really need this function.
Okay.
Okay.
But for 3 times 3, it's very complicated. So it's option, is it?
3.
And then go down, okay, go down. They're determinants.
Oh,
You see?
yeah.
It's DET.
And then option
And
again.
then option again,
3.
get the matrix A. Okay.
Yo, I got 57, yo.
Yes.
I got 90.
And I get 9, okay, here.
I got negative
They
90.
asked
Yeah, that's
You can negative, yeah.
Negative
That's a
14.
flaw, isn't
For
it?
which
So,
which one?
like,
No,
Yeah.
he's doing anything.
Will that be in the exam?
Wait, is it
I think in FPM 2 or FPM 3,
Maximum
just 3 times 3.
65.
Not in one.
Not in one.
65th floor.
It's so easy.
I do it like 20.
Okay, now if you want to find the inverse, okay? If you want to find the inverse, go back to find the inverse of matrix A. You get matrix A first.
Are you sure?
Matrix A first.
Okay.
Matrix
I'm
A
gonna board
first.
This is like the same
Nah.
as yours.
And then this one. -1.
And then press the negative 1 here to the power negative 1.
Equal.
Okay? Equal. And then it will give you the inverse of that matrix.
Yo,
You calculate.
Yeah.
bro, these
Can
numbers are
you
ugly.
like
yo.
combine them into matrices?
No. Wait. I don't think it's the inverse of the matrix.
Alpha, beta, delta.
Not working. Syntax error.
Put it in wrong.
Because you press some. Maybe because you press some of the. Maybe because you press some of the value to be 0, and then sorry, that is not the inverse. That's not the inverse.
Oh.
Wait for me. I think there's a button to find the inverse. Let me see. Let me see.
Better not come back.
Yeah, but so I think it's like 57.
That's okay.
This one.
Power building, yeah. 65.
Yeah.
Which very, very, it's like
CC.
So much I eat.
Yo, let's go eat in Syndicate, bro.
Huh?
Let's go eat in Syndicate. Huh?
I gotta go straight home.
Syndicate? Or you going straight home?
Yeah, for that will be today.
Or for what?
Yeah.
Oh shit. How about you, Harsh? That's good.
Oh yes. Now you use the negative 1, okay? Not power to negative 1 here, and then you will get just let's say matrix A, okay? Negative 1 here, okay?
Equal.
This one will give you equal, okay? This one will directly give you the inverse
Oh,
of
like the ugly ass
this
numbers.
matrix.
So
Yes,
can I use the microwave?
yes. Not with the spoon. Okay.
Without the spoon.
Uncover it first. Remove the lid. Don't put the spoon inside. Otherwise you burn the school.
Yeah, that's good. Bro, that's good to know.
Let's go on. Now for 2 times 2 matrix, I rather you remember the formula for the inverse.
Okay.
You have this calculator. 没有. Get one? I have spare here. You need it? No, for free.
Maybe.
No. So useful, I don't think so.
I don't have money.
140, you give me later on. Just 140. This calculator is much expensive than that one.
Exchange.
That means you are more rich than us. They all use a cheaper calculator.
Found
Why
it.
do you have it? Sell them.
You're watching with my calculator.
Sell them to like the phone juice.
You have this one?
Huh? No.
Want get one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good pizza.
Is it the pizza from the party?
Oh,
from first day, first day
no,
Christmas party.
the Christmas party. Yeah, probs. Is that actually? That looks so good. Man.
Now, what does mean by the inverse matrix? It means that if any matrix times the inverse, or the inverse times that matrix, will give you the identity matrix.
Okay.
Wait, that's out.
Put your calculator on top.
Power Rangers
That's not
would be more into
Oh, I got it.
super
Like,
calculator.
okay,
okay.
and then
Is that it?
For calculation at the time.
now,
You
Eh,
put your hand with the
determinant of m is a number. Therefore, you can see here, okay, just from this formula here, if determinant m is 0, that means it's singular, right? You see?
Oh yeah.
So it can't be inverse.
That means it can't, the inverse does not exist.
So it just
Inverse does not exist.
okay.
Either you will get, otherwise you will get 1 over 0.
That just smells so good. It smells so good.
Why did you bring pizza?
Like
from class party.
Now roughly, we have finished this chapter, but
From class party.
let's go on to have a look at some of the questions.
Why?
Now some question asks you to prove some formula.
Conscious.
Now show that
Put your hand in it. Hand in it.
a times b, the inverse of a times b equal to b inverse times a inverse. Example 12.
Time page. Whoa, what the hell is this?
And when they show it, show it.
how? Well, don't you just like just
What's
calculate?
inverse?
Whatever determinant
Just calculate the inverse of A and B.
minus B.
And just times them
C
together.
minus C.
Now how can we do it? Now, what does inverse a times b, the inverse of a times b? It means that if a times b times the inverse of a times b is the identity matrix.
Okay.
Now also remind you the multiplication of the matrix does not commute. It means that a times b not necessarily equal to b times a.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You know, next time we have a Christmas party, I'm gonna go up here and microwave the pizza.
Oh.
It's nice hot.
Now how can we do next? Now you consider it as, but the order of multiplication. Oh, I should say like this. Oh,
Shite. Was it good?
Now what I want to say is like just like if we multiply 2 times 3 times 4, okay? You can do the multiplication of 3 times 4 first,
Yeah.
and then multiply by 2. Or you do the multiplication of 2 times 3 first. So what I mean here is, in terms of the matrix, a times b times c is equal to a times b times c. Okay, you can do the multiplication of ab first,
Okay.
or you can do the multiplication of bc first. But you cannot reverse
The order.
the position. Or I don't know how to say it, okay?
Wait.
You all understand what I mean?
Wait, so you can do A, C, and B.
No.
No,
So that's wrong.
that's wrong.
Okay. So you can. Oh.
So here to here, I just multiple b to ab inverse. And then you can put a on the left hand side. Now, to be more rigorous, I should write it like this. Now, multiple. Now, multiple the inverse of a on both sides, on both left hand side.
Okay.
Okay. To be more rigorous. on both left hand side. Okay. And then this one then will give you the identity matrix. And then the identity matrix times anything, it will still give you the thing. And what you do next is multiply by the B inverse on both left hand side. And you show you this, show you the proof already. Hmm? Now it seems so. Huh? B inverse times B is identity matrix.
Yeah.
Identity times anything is
但
still
呢度
anything.
就層 B 乜？
要啊，我冇，我嗰行唔係咁寫噶嘛，你自己睇下。
哦。
Harsh, why you bring that? Oh, that's right.
Okay.
咁我呢個參數度都係等於 A minus。
Anything times the identity matrix give you the thing. You may consider the identity matrix as 1 in the real number.
Wait, did you clap it really? You did? I don't know, I thought you skipped it.
Like, okay?
Yeah.
And what did I do that you didn't?
Your first time saying to say chill out. Hey, chill out.
No, and then we finish this chapter already lah.
Yes, sir.